New glossary words. Condemn, sentence to punishment. Noose, knot around the neck. Anxieous, troubled. Fortunate, lucky. Transportation, the act of sending criminals to a place that is far away from away as a form of punishment. Calamity means great misfortune. Diggy means dark and dirty. Comrades means mates or fellow associates. Conceal, hide, keep secret. Elevate means lift up, rise. Symbol means sign. Will means death note. Now I read the lesson. Page number 123. Letter 1. Bhagat Singh's last letter to Batukeshwar Datta, Central Jail, Lahore, 21st March 1921. Dear brother, judgment has been delivered. I am condemned to death. In these cells, besides myself, there are many other prisoners who are waiting to be hanged. The only prayer of these people is that somehow or other they must escape the noose. Perhaps I am the only man among them who is anxiously waiting for the day when I will be fortunate enough to embrace the gallows for my ideal. I will climb the gallows gladly and show to the world as to how bravely the revolutionaries can sacrifice themselves for the cause of the nation. I am condemned to death, but you are sentenced to transportation for life. You will live, and while living, you will have to show to the world that the revolutionaries not only die for their ideals but can face every calamity. Death should not be a means to escape the worldly difficulties. Those revolutionaries who have by chance escaped the gallows should live and show to the world that they cannot only embrace gallows for the ideas but also bear the worst type of torture in the dark, diggy prison cell. Bhagat Singh's letter to Bhagat Singh's letter to second LCC convicts, Lahore Jail, 22nd March 1931. Comrades, the desire to live is natural. It is in me also. I do not want to conceal it, but it is conditional. I don't want to live as a prisoner or under restrictions. My name has become a symbol of Indian Revolution. The ideals and the sacrifices of the Revolutionary Party have elevated me to a height behind which I will never be able to rise if I live. Today, people do not know my weakness. If I escape gallows, those weaknesses will came before them, and the symbol of revolution will get tarnished, or perhaps it may vanish altogether. On the other hand, if I mount the gallows boldly and with a smile that will inspire Indian mothers, and they will aspire that their children should also become Bhagat Singhs. Thus, the number of persons ready to sacrifice their lives for the freedom of our country will increase enormously. It will then become impossible for imperialism to face the tide of the revolution, and all their might and their satanic efforts will not be able to stop its onward march. Yes, one thing pricks me even today. My art nurtured some ambitions for doing something for humanity and for my country. I have not been able to fulfill even 1,000th part of those ambitions. If I live, I might perhaps get a chance to fulfill them. If ever it came to my mind that I should not die, it came from this end only. I am proud of myself these days, and I am anxiously waiting for the final test. I wish the day may come nearer soon. Your Comrade Bhagat Singh. Hello friends, in previous class we discussed about Bhagat Singh, the freedom fighter Bhagat Singh, how he involved in the freedom struggle, and which are the aggressive activities he done, and what was the punishment he get by the British rule, and what are the how he influenced by his family, how he involved in freedom struggle, which are the factors motivated him to involve in the freedom struggle. All those things we know in the previous class, and how the incident that the death of Lala Lajpat Rai affected on the work of Bhagat Singh, and who were these friends, those who are cooperating with him, or how they struggled for freedom. Now we go through the letters which were he written for his brother and also followers. What are the messages given through his letters which were written in the prison, where he spent a very less time before his death, how he enlightened that work, and how he encouraged, how he spirited the freedom struggle, even though that also he was in the prison. Now we read the letter which was written, Bhagat Singh's last letter to Batukeshwar Datta. Batukeshwar Datta. Okay. Bhagat Singh's last letter to Batukeshwara Datta, Central Jail, Lahore, 21st March 1921. Dear brother, Batukeshwar Datta is his brother. He wrote the letter to his brother about that. What was the situation or condition in the prison, and what are the thoughts he having in that prison, what are the thoughts he getting, and how his feelings in the prison he is sharing through this letter. The judgment has been delivered. Yes, judgment is already delivered, that hang him until the death. Okay, the death sentence is announced from the judge. I am condemned to death. Yes, he also confined to death. He also ready to go to the gallows, because he want to sacrifice his life for the cause of nation. He don't get any fear about the death or punishment from the government. In these cells, besides myself, okay, in that cells, besides myself, not only he was in the cell, but there are many other prisoners. Yes, in the cells there is not only he. Bhagat Singh was not only in the cell. There was number of prisoners in that cell who were waiting to be hanged. Yes, all are those who are in that prison. They are all waiting for that hanged. They are all are counting their last days on time. So they are in the prison. The only prayer of these people is that somehow or other they must escape the noose. Yes, these people, these are all prisoners, are all want to that they expecting something. They are praying for the God that somehow, anyhow, somehow they must be escaped from that punishment, except from that noose. Noose means the knot which was in the hanging thread, hanging tag. Okay, in that there is a knot that is called noose. Somehow, anyhow, they want to escape from that punishment. They want to lead their life. Perhaps I am the only man amongst them who is anxiously waiting for the day when I will be fortunate enough to embrace the gallows for my ideal. Here, perhaps I am the only man. Yes, Bhagat Singh was the only one person who was waiting, anxiously waiting. He is very surprising and very interestingly he is waiting that moment. Anxiously means katuratainda. That is something is happen in future on that day. He is waiting for that moment. How was that? The death comes to him. He is waiting for that, for the day. He is waiting for that day when I will be fortunate. He was a fortune. He is saying himself as a fortunate. He is saying himself as he was a lucky because enough to embrace. He was want to embrace the gallows for my ideas. He embraced these gallows. He embraced the gallows because of his ideals. Because of his ideals, he embraced these gallows. So that's why he very anxiously waiting for that day. I will climb the gallows gladly. Yes, he is ready to. He was ready to climb the gallows very gladly, means happily. He is ready to climb or go up to that hanging knot, hanging noose. So that's why he is feel very happy because his life is sacrificed for the cause of nation. That maybe motivate or encourage the whole nation to involve in the freedom struggle. That's why he is waiting that and show to the world. He want to show to the whole world as to how bravely the revolutionaries can sacrifice themselves for the cause of the nation. You want to show, you want to prove that how the revolutionaries bravely sacrifice themselves for the cause of nation. You want to show that. You want to show that how they are very brave and they are ready to sacrifice their life for the cause of nation. I am condemned to death. Yes, he also announced that he was ready. He was punishment given to death. That is, death is announced for him. But you are sentenced to transportation. But transportation for life. Adre, now I am also but I am going to the gallows. I am going to death. I am going to die. But you, those who are people, those who are living out of the cell, out of the prison, they must be live. And while living, you will have to show to the world that revolutionists not only die for their ideas, but can face every calamity. Yes, he also told that his brother that you must live, and while you are living, you must show the whole world. You must show the whole world that the revolutionists not only die for their ideas. They are not sacrificed their life for only for ideas, but also they ready to face every calamity, means every situation. They are ready for face every situation, whatever the problems they come in their life, they are ready. Death should not be means to escape. Yes, death only is not for escaping the responsibilities or worldly difficulties. He is want to say that. You want to say that the whole world that revolutionaries are not escaping the worldly difficulties and worldly problems. Those revolutionaries who have by chance escaped the gallows, if anybody or any revolutionaries maybe escape from this punishment, should live and show to the world. They must be live and show the world that they cannot only embrace gallows for ideas. They are not only accept or embrace, only they accept that punishment of death for not only ideas but also bear the worst type of torture in the dark dingy prison cell. Yes, they are not only given the punishment of death. Before that, they are faced, they are they are tolerated many more torture. Torture is a very cruel treatment which was given in the cell. They were very tortured in that dark dingy prison cell. Yes, he says that they are getting many more tortured in the jails. He is saying that there is difficulties, his problems in front of his brother. Jai Hind, your Bhagat Singh. Like that he is sharing his feelings with his brother. In the second lesson, in the second letter, what he had written to his friends. We go through this letter that the desire to live is natural. Yes, I am also want to live. Yes, living desire is natural for everyone. Like that, he also writing like that. It is in me also. Yes, he also has to live. He has also the desire to live. I do not want to conceal it, but he don't want to agree that. He don't want to accept that. He have the desire to live. But it is conditional. But it is conditional. It is a situation like that. He don't want to live as a prisoner or under restriction. But he don't want to live the slave life. He don't want to live in the prison under the restriction. So he want to live the freedom life. So that's why he is saying like that. My name has become a symbol of Indian revolution. Yes, he has a desire like that. His name itself become the symbol of revolution. See, symbolizes the revolutionary activities. How the revolutionary sacrificed their life. So that's why his name itself become symbol of the revolution. The ideas and the sacrifices of the revolutionary part have elevated. Yes, the ideals, what are the thoughts he had, they are the revolutionaries had what are the thoughts, and the sacrifices of the revolutionary party have elevated me to a height behind which I will never be able to rise if I live. If he was live, if he was live or get any excuse from that punishment, but he never go the grade of height, the height which was now he getting the sacrifice of his life for the cause of nation. He never reached that height of the status if he live. So that's why he ready to sacrifice his life for the cause of nation, for the cause of his ideals and for the cause of freedom. Today people do not know my weakness because now the people don't know about his weakness and his default in his life. So that's why all the people are worshiping, they are honored him. But if I escape gallows, those weakness will come before them. If he escape from that punishment, then maybe in future his weaknesses come before the people. So then that symbol of revolution will get transed and perhaps it may vanish altogether. Yes, if he escaped from that gallows, and later in his life these weaknesses come before the people, then the people don't have the respect towards that revolution or that symbol of revolution, that may be destroyed, that may be vanished. On the other hand, if I mount the gallows boldly and with a smile, that will inspire Indian mothers, and they will aspire that their children should also become Bhagat Singhs. Yes, if on the other hand, on the other side, if I mount the gallows, if he get the punishment, that if he died boldly and with a smile, that encourages, that inspires the Indian mothers to encourage or allow our children to involve in the freedom struggle, and the mothers of India all are provoke our children to become Bhagat Singh. Thus the number of persons ready to sacrifice their lives for the freedom of our country, like that our peoples are ready to sacrifice their lives for the freedom of our country, and will increase innumerously. And then the freedom struggles, the freedom fighters are increasing innumerously. Whole country is involving in the freedom struggle through the death of this revolution person Bhagat Singh. It will then become impossible for imperialism to face the tide of the revolution. It becomes like that the whole country is wake up and involved in the freedom struggle, that become very big tide, become huge tide, then the British government is become impossible to face the tide of the revolution, and all their might, all their strength and their scientific efforts will not be able to stop its onward march. Then the might and their scientific efforts, the might and effort of the revolutionaries are never be stopped due to the British government. They are not able to stop the British government, that the freedom struggles effort onward march. Yes, one thing pricks me even today. Yes, one thing is, he realizes that my art nurtured some ambitions for doing something for humanity. Now his mind, his art is want to do something. His art getting the ambition, means strong desire. He want to do something for that humanity and for my country. Yes, he want to do something for his country. Now he have the wish. Now he have the desire to do something for his country, and so he want to be live. But I haven't been able to fulfill even 1,000 part of those ambitions. But now he didn't fulfill the one part of from the 1,000, because he had lot of ambitions. In that one part will be not completed in his life. If I live, I might perhaps get a chance to fulfill them. If he had the chance to live, then he will have that fulfill that his ambitions, fulfill his ambitions. If ever it came to my mind that I should not die, if this type of thoughts come in my mind, I should never die. It came from this and end only. But this thought come at the end of these days, when I get the punishment, when I sentenced to death, then only I get these desires, these thoughts to live and do something for my country in my throughout life. If I live long, I can do many more works for our country. I think like that. I am proud of myself these days. Yes, now he feel proud about himself. He feel proud about himself, and I am anxiously waiting for the final test. He is waiting for that final test. Test means it is a facing the situation that he maybe go and to the until the death. I wish the day may come nearer soon. Yes, he is wishing. He is waiting the day, that is the death day. So he is waiting very eagerly because he is don't want to escape like a coward. So he is waiting for the death because of that something is made encourage or evoke whole country, the brave gentlemen and young people may be involved in the freedom struggle by hearing this news of the sacrifice of Bhagat Singh. Their sacrifice is not become waste. That may be evoke or encourage the young people involved in the freedom struggles, and that may be create the fearness in the mind of the British. Create the fearness in the mind of the British. It may be encouraged him. It may be encouraged to that's why his death will not become waste. That may be encouraged. That may be made whole country involved in the freedom struggle, and like that the country is get the freedom in the future. So he thinking like that. So he sacrificed his life very happily to the cause of nation. Thank you.